Hello mga ka-reels! Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable pero comfortable na stay? Celapad sa Pasay City is a solid choice. Located at 2004 to 224 David Street, Corner PH, San Jose, FB Harrison Street, Pasay. This is a 3-star hotel. Super convenient ng location niya dahil malapit sa airport at ilang minutes lang din ang biyahe papuntang SM Mall of Asia. Perfect siya for travelers na may early or late flights, pati na rin sa mga gusto ng quick staycation sa city. Yung rooms ay simple lang pero malinis at maayos. Makikita nyo po yung room tour ko dito sa video na to. Hindi man super laki, sobrang kompleto at very comfortable po. Favorite spot to ng family dahil malapit lang din at nasa Pasay City lang. Lalo na for the price na babayaran mo. Sulit talaga siya compared sa ibang hotel sa area na mas mahal pero halos same lang ang offer. One of the highlights ng Celapads is yung additional pool and jacuzzi na inad nila. So, 2 pools po at merong jacuzzi. And kung tatanungin nyo ako, hindi po ganun kalamig yung tubig, bearable at masarap pa rin mag-swimming kahit December. May mga options ka ngayon kung gusto mong mag-relax or chill. May spa rin po sila which is a big plus lalo na after a long day ng travel or gala. Feeling mo talaga sulit yung stay kasi parang mini resort na siya at budget friendly po. Another nice thing is that may day tour options sila for their fun adventure activities. So kahit hindi ka mag-overnight, pwede mo ring ma-enjoy yung amenities. So let's have our room tour! Ayan, ito yung kanilang family room. May fridge, kompleto sa water, ayan, may sink, and then ito yung mga toilet. Ayan. Ayan. May hot and cold shower. Ito yung toilet with bidet, tissue, and of course, merong mga vanity kits. So, napakaganda niya with the view of Harrison. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view. Umuulan. And may TV. May towel. Ayan. May phone. So, it's a loft type. It's a loft type. Yan. So, akyat tayo sa taas. So, ayan yung kanyang room. Very friendly and accommodating din yung staff nila at paborito po to ng pamilya kung gusto mo ng affordable na hotel na accessible sa airport at MOA, Celapads. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, follow, and share!